Escape the ordinary and step into the world of great living. Nestled a rocky terrain with breathtaking mountain views, this tiny home is a perfect blend of sustainability and comfort. Built with wood and metal, it's designed to withstand the elements while offering a cozy retreat. With solar panels on the roof, a propane tank for energy, and a spacious deck to enjoy nature. This home is true off-grid dream. Stay tuned as we take you on a tour of this incredible tiny home. Okay, so this is about the incredible off-grid tiny home where luxuries meet sustainability. Imagine waking up every morning to breathtaking mountain views surrounded by the warmth of natural wood and a sleek touch of metal accents. This home is not just about going off-grid; it's about doing it in style. Let's start with the kitchen. Okay, a true highlight of this home. Despite this compact space, this super luxury kitchen is fully equipped with high-end appliance, custom cabinetry, and a beautifully countertop that makes meal prep a breeze. From a full-size sink to a top-of-the-line stovetop and oven, this kitchen is designed for both functionality and elegance. Whether you are cooking a simple meal or preparing a feast, this space has everything you need. Right next to the kitchen, you will find a cozy and yet stylish small dining table, perfect for enjoying meals while taking in the incredible view outside. The strategic placement of large window fills the space with natural light, making every meal feel like a dining experience in nature. The small couch in living area provides a comfortable spot to relax, unwind, and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. Whether you are curling up with a book, sipping coffee, or simply gazing out at the mountains, the space feels warm, inviting, and effortlessly luxurious. Now let's check the out. Now let's check out the main bed, a cozy, perfect design sleeping space that offers comfort and tranquility with soft bedding and carefully placed lighting. This area is a dream retreat after a long day of adventure, but that's not all. This home also features a loft bed accessibility by a sleek staircase, whether used as an extra sleeping space for guests or a quiet reading book. The loft adds other layer of functionality to this well thought out design. The combination of wood and metal throughout the interior gives this home a modern yet rustic charm. The high ceiling and open layout create an airy, spacious feel, proving that tiny living doesn't have to feel cramped. With its well-lit, thoughtfully designed space, this off-grid tiny home is proof that small living can be both luxurious and sustainable. Imagine having all the comfort of home while being completely self-sufficient, surrounded by nature's beauty. Okay, then welcome to the most impressive space in this off-grid tiny home. It's bathroom. Designed with both luxury and sustainability in mind, this bathroom proves that off-grid living doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. With a stunning view of the mountains, a stylish mix of wood and metal finish, and high-end amenities, this space is a true retreat. Let's start with one of the most important features like toilet. Unlike many tiny homes that compromise on bathroom facilities, this home is equipped with a super luxury toilet that offers comfort, efficiency, and eco-friendliness. Whether it's combusting toilet for sustainability or a high-tech flushing system, this setup ensure a clean and hassle-free experience while living off-grid. Next, we have the beautifully designed shower cabin, fully enclosed with modern glass doors. The shower provides both privacy and elegance. The spacious design allows for a relaxing shower experience with highly quality fixtures and a rainfall shower head that brings a spa-like feel to this off-grid sanctuary. The combination of wood and metal accents enhance the warm and rustic aesthetic, making every shower feel like a treat, feel like a retreat into nature. Now let's talk about the sink area. This well-crafted vanity include a stylish sink, a sleek countertop, and a modern mirror, and that reflect the perfect blends of rustic and contemporary design. The mirror is strategically placed to maximize the natural light that floats into the bathroom, creating a bright and refreshing atmosphere. Ventilating is the key in any bathroom, and this tiny home is no exception. A high quality exhaust fan ensures that moisture is properly controlled, preventing humidity buildup and keeping the space fresh and comfortable at all times. Despite being in a compact space, the layout is designed to maximize functionality and comfort. The mix of wood and metal elements create a modern yet cozy ambience, while the well-lit interior makes the bathroom feel open and inviting. Whether it's the warm lighting at night or the natural sunlight streaming in during the day, this bathroom always feels welcoming. Okay, imagine stepping into a bathroom like this every morning, surrounded by nature, yet with all the luxury of high-end home. Living off-grid has never looked this good. Okay, well guys, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I present just now only focus on the theme of material and color composition. This doesn't mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and a synchronizing layout between the exterior and interior. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you useful ideas and inspiration about the tiny home, especially about the interior of the tiny home. So would you live in a tiny home like this? Let us know in the comment, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and wait for my next video about the tiny home, and have a good day.